welcome to my YouTube channel Is English with Swati. Today we are going to complete the synonyms which start from alphabet A. Okay, let us see. Amateur. Amateur means what? Beginner or dabbler. Amateur जो हॉबी रखते हैं कोई एज प्रोफेशनल नहीं, सिर्फ अपनी हॉबी के लिए, जो कोई सिंगिंग है या फिर कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो दे आर कॉल्ड एमेचर. So the sentence here would be, he was an amateur singer until the age of 25. Then he became professional. Next is aloof. Aloof means reserved or indifferent. The sentence here is, he stood aloof from all the worldly success. Next is altercation, means brawl or ruckus, झगड़े होना. ठीक है, तो इसका सेंटेंस होगा, he got into several altercations with his boss. Altruism. Altruism means compassion or benevolence. So here the sentence would be, she was known for her altruism. Ambiguous, enigmatic or ambivalent, जो clear नहीं है, that is called ambiguous. So here sentence would be, his reply to my question was quite ambiguous. Amiable. Amiable means what? Friendly or likable. She was known for her amiable nature. Next is ameliorate. Ameliorate means to rectify or to mend. जिसको ठीक करना, जो कुछ खराब हो गया है उसको ठीक करना, to mend. That is what? Ameliorate. So the sentence here, steps have been taken to ameliorate the situation. Amnesty. Amnesty means respite or exoneration. Relief for the short time. कुछ समय के लिए relief मिलना. That is called amnesty. So here sentence is, government gave amnesty to some of the prisoners. Ample means abundant or plentiful. We have got ample time to make a decision. Amplify means louden or magnify. Amplify means बढ़ाना. Okay, amplify. So sentence here is, the funeral process has amplified the feelings of sorrow. Anathema. Anathema means abhorrent और ban. जो चीज़ ना हम जिससे एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाते हैं उससे हम दूर भागते हैं, that is anathema. So here the sentence is, for older people this new system is an anathema. Anchor. Anchor means newscaster or presenter. Has been a news anchor since long. Next is annihilate. Annihilate means abrogate or liquidate. Here sentence is, the city was annihilated by an atomic bomb. Anguish, dolor or torment, बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होना, है ना, पेन होना, दर्द होना. So the sentence here, they watched in anguish as the fire spread through the house. Annul. Annul means what? Nullify or to cancel. Their marriage was annulled just after 6 months. Anomaly. Anomaly is aberration or exception. Here an anomaly for the particular thing. Next is animosity. Animosity means acrimony or hostility, है ना, किसी के खिलाफ मन में grudges रखना, बहुत ज़्यादा hostility रखना, disliking रखना, that is called animosity. So there is still animosity between these two teams. Antagonism means rivalry or opposition. इन दोनों का meaning somewhat similar है. Antagonism between these two persons was so deep that they couldn't sit together. Antecedent means preceding or previous. Mechanical calculating machines were the antecedents of modern computer. Antipathy. Antipathy means abhorrence or dislike. फिर से ये दोनों के जैसा ही ये है, that is antipathy means abhorrence or dislike. Despite the deep antipathy between these two teams, they have managed to negotiate. And last is antiquity, means archaism or ancientness. Before creating these sculptures, she had studied all the classic antiquities. Now, why I have put question mark here? Whatever the synonyms that start from alphabet A that we have discussed. If you know something other than these, you please do comment. Keep watching, please do like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.